Hey Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping on here. Please make sure you subscribe down below. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. My name is Saleh Kalio, and on this channel I teach you how you make beautiful skincare products and how you can start your own skincare business, trainings, and every other thing that has to do with skincare. Now, today we're going to be making a beautiful moisturizing, hydrating skin, brightening, and lightening product. This is a cream that can be used on the face, on the body, and it can help clear out dark spots, hyperpigmentation, pimple scars, and generally hydrate and moisturize your skin in the process. So if you'd like to see how I made this product, make sure you watch this video till the very end. Okay, I have been showing you ingredients that we are going to be using. We're using cocoa butter, coconut wax, and some other emulsifiers that we're going to talk about in the video. Now, make sure if you are watching this video, make sure you watch till the end, as the recipe and everything else will be inserted in this video somewhere, sometime. Okay, so we're going to be working on the oil phase, and in here we are going to add all our oil soluble ingredients and all our oil phase ingredients. Caprylic triglyceride or capric triglyceride. It is an antioxidant. It helps to smooth the skin. It helps to bind ingredients together, and it also works as a preservative that helps to make active ingredients in cosmetics last longer. So next, we're going to be using Montanov 202, which is an emulsifier. Now, remember, I did a video about emulsifiers. Whenever you are making your products, make sure you're specifying what kind of emulsifiers you're making or you're using, because the emulsifier you use will determine what the result or the finished product that you're making would be. So Montanov 202 is an oil and water emulsifier, and it helps to give a lotion to thick texture with a light feel. It helps to stabilize your emulsion. It provides restructuring effects and also moisturizing effect to your skin. And next on our list is glyceryl monostrate. Now, this emulsifier is a fast penetrating emollient. It helps to create a protective barrier on the skin surface, which helps to maintain hydration and also slows down the loss of moisture. We are also going to be using coconut wax, and coconut wax is packed with so much vitamins and minerals and antioxidants that moisturizes the skin, the hair, the nails. It gives you a very youthful, vibrant, beautiful look. It also helps to reduce blemishes on the skin and generally evens out your skin tone. So that is why we're using it here. Next, we are using cocoa butter, and cocoa butter is very high in fatty acid, which is why it is often used for hydration and nourishment of the skin, and it also helps to improve the elasticity of your skin. We are also going to be using olive squalene oil, which is a very good emollient that helps to smoothen the skin. It is similar to the natural oil from the skin, and it has so many other skin benefits. We are also going to be using Sepi White MSH, which is a very good skin lightener and brightener suitable for all skin types, and basically gives a very beautiful complexion. Now, we are also going to be using our phytosterols, which is a very good ingredient for anti-aging, sun protection, and it helps to, with inflammations, and basically helps to give you a very beautiful protected skin from the sun. And it is suitable to use in baby products and any other skin aging products. Okay, now we're going to go to the double boiler and melt this down. Now, onto our water phase. We have heated our water to about 80 degrees Celsius. Now we're going to add our water soluble ingredients, and we're starting with Jigger White, which is an effective skin whitening or lightening product. It is derived from plants, and it is a very effective skin lightener. We're also going to be using niacinamide, which helps with fine lines, wrinkles, hyperpigmentation. It helps to regulate the skin production, the oil that the skin produces, and basically gives you a very beautiful and flawless looking skin. Now you want to make sure that your water soluble ingredients are dissolving into your water like I'm showing here. Otherwise, you are not using the right product. You can see that our water is still very, very clear. Make sure you look out for that when you buy your ingredients. Next, we are using alpha arbutin powder, which is very good when it comes to sunspots, discolored patches, and basically reducing hyperpigmentation on your skin. And we're using that here alongside our glutathione, which is also a very good skin lightener and an antioxidant as well. And we're just going to mix that up and make sure everything dissolves thoroughly. You can see that everything dissolves beautifully. That's how you know you're using the right products. And then we're going to use kojic acid. Now you can use kojic acid, the palmitate, which is a more tolerable form of kojic acid. Here I don't have kojic acid, the palmitate, so I used kojic acid powder. Now if you're using kojic acid, make sure you are storing your product in an amber container that is not going to be directly getting sunlight, or in a very completely dark container. Next, I'm going to mix in my xanthan gum. This is going to help stabilize the product and keep it together from separating if there's any separation that would occur in the future. This is also going to help give us a very beautiful viscosity to our product as well. But you also want to be careful so you don't overuse it. So I'm going to use my warm water to dissolve this down. I would recommend that before you put it into your formulation or you mix it with water, make sure you use glycerin to dissolve it and disperse it first, because that way it's easier and it dissolves faster. Go ahead and cover it with foil, leave it for a few minutes so it dissolves completely before you add it into your skincare products that you are making. Now our oils are ready and our water, everything is ready. Now we're going to create our emulsion. Now when you're working with Montanov, you want to make sure you give your water a burst first before you add your oil phase. That way the emulsion stays together and stable. All right, so I'm going to use my stick blender to create a very strong burst before I go ahead to add my oil into my water. Remember, this is an oil in water emulsion. Now here is all my beautiful butters, oils, emulsifiers, and everything. We're going to put that in there and give it a beautiful emulsion. So immediately of course, your emulsion will be runny because it's still hot. You give it a few minutes to cool down, and you have this beautiful, beautiful looking product. Now you can go ahead to pro-mix this into any other kind of product that you want to make. But just like this product is good for hyperpigmentation and helps to clear out dark spots and brighten and lighten your skin. But if you want a whitening effect, then you want to go ahead and add other ingredients that will help you give a lighter effect. So go ahead now and add your Jamal Plus, which is one of the best or one of my favorite preservatives. Add your vitamin E oil. And then add your fragrance oil or your essential oils, and you are good to go. Okay, now if you love what you have just seen, you definitely want to subscribe to our Patreon, where you get 2 videos every month for a certain fee. And these videos are not going to be on our YouTube page. They are going to be advanced. And the only way to get access to those videos is when you are subscribed to the Priority Plus tier or the Priority tier. Or you can also join our upcoming training, which is going to be amazing. Our previous training was amazing, which made us decide to have a second batch because you guys wanted one. So if you want to learn more about skin lightening products like emulsions that you can sell and make tons of money, you want to definitely join our upcoming training. This training is coming up on the 26th of March and it's going to be for 5 days. Okay, thank you so much, guys. This is our product. Now we're going to check the pH of our product, and you definitely want your pH to run around 5.5, and you have a tight, nice pH. Now we're going to take our pH strip. If you have the pH meter, you can go ahead to use that as well. Just dip it in there and check the pH. But for now, we're using our pH strip to check the pH of our product. Dip it in there and voila, you have it. And we have our pH at 5.5, and that is very, very good for us because that's where we want our pH to be. Now, like I said earlier, you can go ahead to promix this product and get a skin whitening product out of this, or you can use it like this and it will help clear out your knuckles, help clear out your hyperpigmentations, dark spots, and generally give you a uniform complexion. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you will come back for more recipes, and until then, I hope to see you in my next video. I hope. All right, guys. Thank you so much once again. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.